Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain pair of words which makes us confused while using. This video is about such words to make you confident to choose the exact word. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's see the confusing words. Stationery, stationery. In first stationery there is ERY. Okay. In second stationery there is ARY. How to identify the word? How to use the correct word? Okay. At first we should know the meaning of stationery. ERY. Where there is ERY, that is writing and other study materials. Pen, paper, other study materials, official supplies called stationery. Where there is ERY. Stationery comes from the word stationer. Okay, stationer. Stationer means a person or a store which sells study materials. Right? That is, and stationery is an adjective. Stationer is a noun. Stationery is one adjective. Okay. See the example. Give me a paper to write a letter. Paper, letter related to stationery because this is writing materials. Okay. This is one letter. This is one paper. Okay. In paper and letter there is ER. It is related to ERY. Now it is very clear to choose the correct word stationery. Where there is ERY, that is writing, and you should use it for writing and other study materials. Okay. Where there is ARY, that is motionless, still, unmoving, immovable. Okay. Stationary. A bus collided with a stationary vehicle. It is stationary means unmoving, still, motionless, immovable. Okay. A bus collided with a stationary vehicle. Let's see another two confusing words. But. In first word, BIRTH, I is there. In second word, BERTH, E is there. The difference in both the words, the difference is I and E. Right? BIRTH, how to pronounce it? But. BUHTH. But. The second word also BERTH, but. Pronunciation. Meaning of birth, 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 emergence of young from mother's body. That is emerge, originate. Right? She birthed twins. Understand? Here birth is used as verb. In second sentence, he is handsome from his birth. It is used here as noun. Right? Second birth, BERTH, E is there. In first, I is there. In second, E is there. Where E, pronunciation same, BUHTH, birth. Pronunciation same, but its meaning bed on a train, ship or other means of transport. Right? Bed. That means it is related to bed. In bed, BE. In birth, BE. So, not getting confused, we should, birth means we should get that this is bed. On train, ship or other means of transport. Right? I will sleep in the upper berth. Means what? Upper bed. He slept in the lower berth. That means lower bed. I hope you got the point clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.